Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy and crispy fried banana with the ingredients that you already had at home. Also, I'm going to try this regular Cavendish banana to see if we can use them. But first, please subscribe, like, and share. Let's get started. For the batter, I use 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Cornstarch is the main ingredient that will make your fried banana crispy, so you have to have it. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar, and half cup of milk. You can use water or coconut milk. Add a tablespoon of white sesame seed, a tablespoon of black sesame seed. Use half cup of shredded coconut. Add half cup of water to rehydrate the shredded coconut. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then add it to the batter. Thai banana is popular for this recipe. However, if you don't have access to Thai banana, you can use regular banana too. Make sure you choose the green one like this. You can cut the banana to any size you like. I like eating banana, so I will just cut into 2 pieces. Make sure the oil is hot before you fry your banana. Turn the heat down to medium. Wait until your banana turns golden brown, then it's ready. Don't throw away this popcorn, it's delicious. Now let's try to fry the regular banana to see if it is working. It's working and looks pretty good to me. Turn any leftover batter into popcorn chips. This fried banana is more crispy when it is cooled down. This is the Thai banana. It is tender inside, crispy outside, and delicious. And this is the regular Cavendish banana. It is a little bit mushy inside, but still tastes really good. Here you have it. Thank you for watching.